Good morning, students. Today I will start the chapter second, motion. So, motion. In our daily life, we see various objects moving, like a moving car and a moving train, and an aeroplane flying over our head, and a lot of other things. All these things indicate motions. But there are various things which do not move, like a book lying on a table and a sofa set placed in your house. These things are said to be at rest. Okay? These things do not changes their position of rest unless moved by somebody. Now, rest. A body is said to be at rest when it does not changes its position with time and with respect to other fixed bodies surrounding it. The next, motion. Motion, a body is said to be in motion when it changes its position with time with respect to stationary body. Okay? Now, next topic. Types of motion. All the motions may be categorized broadly into following types. These types are: first, translatory motion. Translatory motion is that in which all the particles of the moving body have similar and equal displacement. It means all the parts of the body move the same distance in the same time. For example, motion of vehicles like bus, car, bikes, etc. Okay? Translatory motion may be divided into two types: rectilinear motion and curvilinear motion. Okay? Rectilinear motion, when a moving body moves along a straight line, then it is said to be in rectilinear motion. For example, falling off a stone from a height. Okay? The next, curvilinear motion, the type of the translatory motion. Curvilinear motion, when a moving body moves along a curved line, it is called curvilinear motion. For example, a vehicle moving in a curve. Okay? The next motion is rotatory motion. Rotatory motion is that in which a moving body moves about a fixed axis without changing its position. For example, a spinning top. A spinning top rotates along a fixed axis. Okay? The next motion is circular motion. The circular motion is that in which a moving body moves in a circular path where the moving body changes its position. Example, Earth moves around the sun. Okay? The next motion is the oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is that in which a moving body repeatedly moves to and fro and changes its position continuously with respect to a fixed point. For example, pendulum of a wall clock moves to and fro repeatedly with respect to a fixed point. The next motion is vibratory motion. Vibratory motion is that in which a moving body moves repeatedly to and fro about a fixed point without changing its position. For example, while playing sitar, the strings are moving to and fro constantly while both their ends are fixed. This shows vibratory motion. The next motion is periodic motion. The periodic motion, we have studied about oscillatory and vibratory motion. These are periodic motion, the motion which repeats itself again and again at regular intervals of time is called periodic motion. For example, motion of the planets around the sun. The next, non-periodic motion. Non-periodic motion, the motions which do not repeat themselves are called non-periodic motion. For example, motion of a car on the road. Next, random motion. The random motion is that in which the moving object moves on a path in any direction in different duration of time. For example, playing children, flying mosquitoes, etc. The next topic, the combination of different motions. A carpenter using his drill machine to drill a hole in wood. What type of motions the drill machine executes? It shows two kinds of motion. The motion is translatory while moving inside the wood. It is a rotatory when drill is moving on its axis. Okay? Further I will explain in the next. Thank you.